I am Volodymyr Kruch. In my short lectures for agronomists, I tell you about microbes in simple terms. Last time, we talked about soil ecology, different groups of organisms and the relationships that exist between them. So today is the time for another very interesting topic, mycorrhiza. I'm sure many of you have already heard about mycorrhiza and mycorrhizal fungi, but what it is all about? The word mycorrhiza gives an answer to the question of what it is. Myco is the Latin for fungus and rhiza the Greek for root. These fungi roots are very beneficial for both plant and fungus. A very large number of fungi can form mycorrhiza, ranging from ordinary fly agaric up to specific fungi of the genus Glomus. Actually, the fruit body of fungi or sporocarp is very similar to the fruit of plants, for both are organs of reproduction, but the fruit of plants contains seed, whereas the fruit of bodies of fungi contains spores. Unlike plants, the underground part of fungi forms a branch system of hyphae, which is called mycelium. The size of hyphae is very small, from 1.5 to 10 micrometers, so they cannot be seen without a microscope. About 450 million years ago, plants and fungi began a mutualistic relationship. We remember that mutualism is a type of symbiosis in which both organisms benefit from such a relationship. The plant supplies the fungi with sugars, which it synthesizes during photosynthesis. And fungi share with the plant the water and mineral compounds, which mycelium collects far beyond the root system and in the spaces between the roots. What does this mean for the plant? Let's say we planted a plant in soil that doesn't have mycorrhiza. In order to get access to water and mineral nutrients, the plant grows a larger and larger root system, using up a significant portion of its energy. At the same time, the plant releases into the environment a large amount of sugars that feed the soil microbiota and serve as a beacon showing the microbiota in which direction to grow. But if there are spores of mycorrhizal fungi in soil, they react to these sugars and begin to germinate in the direction of the roots. When hyphae of the fungus meet the root, they penetrate into the plant tissue, thus forming mycorrhiza, which combines the root and fungal systems. There are two main types of mycorrhiza, actomycorrhiza and endomycorrhiza. During the formation of actomycorrhiza, the hyphae of the fungus penetrate into the intercellular spaces of the plant's roots. During the formation of endomycorrhiza, they grow inside the cells of the plant. Now, mycorrhiza begins to actively grow, using the sugars that the plant gives it. It penetrates far beyond the absorption zone of the plant's roots. There, it collects water and mineral compounds and supplies them to the plant. This is especially important during droughts. Most fungi are able to form mycorrhiza with one or more of the plant species. On the other hand, representatives of the genus Glomus can form mycorrhiza with a wide range of plants. Once upon a time, mycorrhiza was spread all over the world because plants could find a symbiont for joint existence everywhere. But intensive agriculture, the use of toxic chemical pesticides and heavy machinery, as well as the frequent practice of leaving land fallow without any plants on the surface, have caused mycorrhiza to disappear and its place has been taken by pathogenic species. This is why it is extremely important to return mycorrhiza to soil. I hope it was interesting for you to hear about how mycorrhiza is formed and how it functions. Next time we'll tell you about some of the most common types of soil bacteria. Please ask your questions in the comments and subscribe to our channel. Till next time, goodbye.